lekwa osiri enwere anyị nọ na street today si na enwere ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo today nwezi onye na-aga boy elihi nwere n'okwu a.
Well, ekele ka m Chukwu n'ụbọchị nke taata. Ndị ọga na-akọmplen na onwezi onye na-agba boy, then ndị mmadụ na-akọmplen kwere na boy a na-ana. Ụmụ boy na nwaanyị na-akọmplen kwere na ndị ọga ada settle. You see, abịa n'ala Igbo taa, boy is like an institution. Boy, onye ọbụla gbara boy is like a second class university.
What do you mean?
Even you see, onye ọbụla gbara boy like a second class university is this. Course all in Igbo na university. Okay, but anyway, how many years are there?
Yes.
It's all according to onye ọbụla na-eje boy. Boy with how many years are they reach as agreement? No one na mona gị nọ so ye. Na m ga-asettle gị na azụmahịa m na-azụ. It's the same thing. It's an institution. Because institution is something that involves two parties.
Okay.
I am because you are. You are because I am. So in this life, everybody is important, but nobody is too important. You don't blame anybody because if me and you are from the same community, plus 3 extra others, the same community, some people just will boy the other side, some people just the other side. Up 1 or 2 people later, na chuhana boy. Remember, that one 20 in that village are watching. In life, onye ọ na-asị achọrọ m idukọ onye a ihe kpata mmadụ ji eje boy onye na-eje bio na iche ịdị ya. So onye ọ na-asị na ya ma jezi boy na boy adọrọ mma na-eme nnukwute mistake. Boy is a good thing, but the problem is that that institution called boy is faulty by both parties.
How?
This is what I mean. That institution, I call it institution. Why? Because if you go to university, course on in a gym, only numbers of years, you got not there. But talk about the only one about boy, only numbers of years, you got not there. The lecturer will tell himself truth, and you, as a student, will be able to tell yourself the truth. Then you can learn. But if a boy, if you work that both parties are faulty, is this? Some people in the job mother, just what I want mother, can you go bury a boy, no boy, can settle lawyer. It's a good thing. Many people have good hearts, but some people just to take advantage of that child because of his main reason is business, not to make you somebody. You see, about Igbo people are known with business, and Igbo people in business is a plain example of the life of Christ. This is what I mean. When Christ was in the world, he had 12 disciples. You see, the problem is that name itself, boy. You know, who invented that name? That is my question. Who gave that name, boy, that if you work with me, is either I'm your boy or you are my boy? I believe you are catching something.
I think that is the reason why.
From that name, boy, yes. We need to change that name to what? Maybe to, first of all, Igbo boy is a partnership. Partnership means you are valued and I am valued. We come together with a jointed force to make a movement. It's a partnership. The earlier these people in the Oga realize to reduce their ego as the Oga and understand that everybody is important, the better. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Many people they blame Britain for colonizing us, that they are using us, that our forefathers were enslaved by them. The same slavery can again na this boy issue. This is what I mean. If boy the Korean, if attitude of your husband is not favorable to you, you must look for second choice. Because of the condition you are into, you might not give him the opportunity to complain, and therefore the negative mind will take position. This is what I mean. Don't neglect the person. It's a grace for you to be with that boy. After all, only true remember. Emmabe Mawa here, but I call on a beg. I want to joke up your war. No, on a beg, only go in and what do you want as well. But grace will be better than begging in a managa. It happens. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Then, what boy, when go on, boy. What is your intention? Because some people are going now. Walk away, go. Can't you bury a boy? na nje ka nzu egi wee gbafere ayes ome mkpọtụ ya na papa man wa. You are killing your future because for you to follow that man, one is a grace. Not everybody in your community follow that man. The earlier you respect that man, you see, business is all about money. Onye ụlọ nwe onye Igbo na chusie gị ike ebe ọ na ọsọ ya nọ. But we are feeling it in one side. This is what I mean.
Where?
Money. I wrote a novel about money, 2012. Money you are looking at is more spiritual than physical. That is one thing we don't know. If you want to do any business with somebody, this partnership we are talking about, the boy is a business. Boy is a business. But if you value your position, I value my position. That's why I told you, you can't change anyone. Don't ever try it. Some people need a boy, let me change him. No man can change human being.
Or change family.
No man can change family. It's either you are not telling yourself truth, or I myself, I'm not telling myself truth. And remember, the end of every journey justifies the means.
But let me cut you here now. What do you think is the solution?
Well, the solution, there's no problem in life without solution. And he who no go, no go no. I'm happy to produce this answer to you for those who can listen. You see, I told you that boy is like an institution. It's an institution. It's like a university. There are processes. Boy. And once you are matured, only open about boy, you bet you feel no if for Nigeria or anywhere, material. No matter what, whether he was settled or he was not settled. You ask me a question, what is the way out? The way out is this. Do you know? First of all, do you know? No, boy. How? Including Pope. Yeah. Pope na Chukwu boy.
Okay.
Every rich Igbo man, if you go close to them, if you know can boy. So boy is an institution that cannot be abolished. Rather, the earlier we nurture it, have a role to play. This is what I mean. Mother boy, before 1 month, 2 months, material. But because of the greediness of every Igbo man, whether you like it or not, then I'm coming to the answer. The reason why I'm going around is because this is a very large institution that needs some processes. You can't just go straight. This is what I mean. Government needs to put hand in the issue of boy, Naoga. First of all, we need to abolish that name, boy.
Yeah.
It's destroying a lot of things.
Yeah.
Only one of boy.
Okay.
Only one of that is the meaning of boy.
The kid the name again is now.
It's either we give it to partner with somebody, it's my partner, my business partner.
Yeah. The white people are doing
so
it.
that people will have respect. Everybody needs respect. The earlier we abolish that name, boy, that's number one step. Then number two, we have to invite government. Lawyer have to be involved. Life have a process. That's why today you have what is called life insurance. If so thing happen, this is what you are going to do. Oburi iwu na oga niile ga-enwe ego. But o kwesịrị ibu iwu na oga niile kwesịrị settle. Settlement is of many kind. How much you know one boy does not matter. But the spirit of commitment. I bless you today. Although silver, gold, I may not give you. But what I have is the spirit I have in this business. I transfer it to you. You see this little amount I give to you, it shall multiply. That prayer is more valuable than everything. Remember, I call it a disciple. During the time of Christ, Christ have to organize his disciple 12 according to the Bible, for those that believe. You understand? Among that 12, not all of them are not righteous. So don't expect healing boy to be smooth. I hate that name, in fact. I hate that name. Anybody that want to partner with you, you have a lot of job to do there. For example, the world is turning to something based on social media. Now this world today, boy, 7 years, 8, 10, away phone, or the out of social media, yeah, is equivalent to blindness. Is education. Give the person the needed things. Allow the fire to move. It will be of glory. And when you come out, you'll be bold enough to say, this is my son. How many people, Bachara boy, can on a business on the other boy?
No, sure.
So, what you serve somebody into does not matter, but the grace. I think I've answered.
Yeah, no. Listen, guys, man. Osirora is giving us a lecture that every Igbo man, whether wine or walking, you need to hear this. Okay? Osiri want them.
May God bless you.
But don't forget, very soon, I na Biakwa Ozo with Osirora. Wow.
You're welcome.